Welcome to Narvi Academy. I'm here to discuss, can China overtake the US economy in 2028? As per the different media reports, China will overtake the US economy in terms of overall nominal GDP in 2028. Also, according to the US think tank Center for Economic and Business Research, it is possible, but timeline can vary. The US think tank said, we expect the United States' share of global GDP to decline from 2021 onwards, and for the country to eventually be overtaken by China as the world's largest economy. They also said the COVID 19 pandemic and corresponding economic fallout have certainly tipped this rivalry in China's favor. That's 100% true. Let's see the economic growth comparison between the US and China in terms of nominal GDP. Here you can see the blue line indicates the growth rate of China's economy, and the orange line indicates the growth rate of the US economy in terms of nominal GDP. In 2021, the nominal GDP of the US stands at 22.6 trillion US dollars, whereas nominal GDP of China stands at 16.6 trillion US dollars. I have calculated the figures and found that China will overtake the US economy in 2032 and not in 2028. In 2032, the nominal GDP of the US will be 27 trillion US dollars, and the nominal GDP of China will be 27.2 trillion US dollars. But in terms of per capita GDP, China has one fourth what the US has right now. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching Narvi Academy.